Hello everyone, my name is Taha and in this video we will be learning how to model Angela Marvelous. Sorry if I have pronounced it wrong, but in India it is popular with the name of Sirfal or Pale. So let's get started. We will learn two methods to model the fruit, and then in next video we will learn how to texture the fruit which we have modeled in this video. So maybe this tutorial went long because I will be modeling this with two methods. First is polygon modeling, and then we will use screw modifier to model the same fruit. So first press Ascent key and come to front view. Now press A to select all and press X to delete. Now I will add a reference image which will help me to model the fruit same. Now I will press Shift A and then come down and click over background. I will go to the folder where I have saved the background images. We will provide you the download link for these photos. Now I will add a photo and GZ to move it around Z axis. Now first we will learn how to model it with polygon modeling. Now press Shift A to add a mesh and click over circle. Press G to grab it and press S to scale it. G to grab it and S to scale it. Now press Tab to enter edit mode and press F to fill the gap within the circle. Now come to front view, press E to extrude, and now press Z and then click on wireframe mode. You will enter wireframe mode, which will help you to model the fruit more clearly, and you can match the reference when you are in wireframe mode. Now press S to scale it. Now try to match the reference with this sphere, with this circle. Now press S to scale it. Now press E to extrude. Press Ctrl R to add a loop cut over here. Now press S to scale it. Alt plus right click to select this whole line of vertex and S to scale. Select this vertex also and scale. Select the top line of vertex, extrude S, extrude S. Now press Ctrl R to add loop cut over here and just scale it little bit. Try to match the reference. Extrude S, extrude S, extrude S, G S. Now press E to extrude, S to scale it, E to extrude, S to scale it, E to extrude, S to scale it. Now whenever your you are not able to match the reference, add a loop cut. Press E to extrude, S to scale, S GX to move it little bit around x-axis, and GZ. Extrude S. Now press Z and click over solid. Here you have simple base mesh. Now press tab to enter edit mode and come to face selection mode by clicking here, or you can simply press 3. Select the top face, S to scale it little bit around here, and now E to extrude, and then S, scale it something like this. Control R, add a loop cut over here, scale it a little bit, G, Control R, add a loop cut over here, scale, G. So here you have basically low poly fruit. Tab to select this face, press 3 to interface selection mode, select this face, scale it, G, Z, push it down. Now come over modifier properties, click over add modifier and add a subdivision surface. Click on apply and now press W, shade smooth, which will smooth your mesh. And now press Ctrl S to save it. Save as Blender file. Now we have already learned how to model Angela Marmalade with polygon modeling tool. Now we will learn how to model this with screw modifier. So in order to start with, first go to front view. Now press Shift A, come down, click over image background, and I will just open my reference image and press G and Z to move it around Z axis, and now press Shift A, add a mesh and add a cube GZ. Now press tab to enter edit mode, Alt M to merge the vertex at center, G to grab it around here. Now we will try to match the border of the fruit within the reference image. Now press E to extrude, E to extrude, E to extrude, E to extrude. Try to add less vertices. Now Control R, G around here. Extrude, Control R, G. Now we will just cover half of the portion and press tab, press A to select all and come over modifier properties, add modifier and add screw modifier. Now you will see screw modifier already made this screw for us, which make our work easier. And now just click apply, press tab and click apply. Our mesh is very low poly, so just add some of the details here. Now press tab to enter edit mode, A, press F to fill the gap. One gap we have here and here, which is automatically filled when we press F. Now come to add modifier, add subdivision surface, press tab, which you will see smooth our mesh. Now apply subdivision surface, press tab to enter edit mode. Now press 3 to get into fetch selection mode, or you can select this over here. Now press 3, press A to deselect all and press C to select this vertices. Now press X and dissolve vertices. Now press S to scale it, G, S to scale it, and S one more time. Come to front view, extrude and try to model the rest of the portion. Control Z. What's this? Into front view. Okay. Press Z to enter wireframe modes. Press 2 to enter vertex selection. Alt right click to select the whole line of edges. Now press E to extrude, rotate, and just try to model in your own style. Now press tab to enter object mode, and press tab to enter edit mode once again. Select this vertices and just scale it. Select this vertices, scale it little bit. Select this vertex, scale it. Select this vertex, scale it. Select this vertex, scale it. And now press W, shade smooth, click on normals, click on object data property, come over normals and auto smooth, which will basically smooth our mesh. And now press Ctrl S to save it. So this basically completes this tutorial. In the next video we will be learning how to texture this model, means how to apply color to this model. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.